Welcome to Swamp Bites, presented by TECO People's Gas. I'm Hillary Ake, sports performance dietitian here at the University of Florida. Today I'm going to walk you through a healthy and delicious recipe while cooking with natural gas. Today we're going to be making corn salsa. This tailgate recipe is a lentil corn salsa mix. It's really easy. First we'll boil the lentils. One reason I enjoy cooking with gas is because I can achieve maximum heat instantly, making this snack quick to prepare. Next, we'll take our cooked lentils and mix them with corn, jalapenos, and red peppers. This is a fun and nutritious dish that's high in fiber, and the lentils give it a little added protein punch, which makes it a more nutritious appetizer. We serve up our corn salsa with blue corn tortilla chips for a colorful appetizer. For full details on this recipe and more information on how you can use natural gas at your next tailgate, in your home, or at your business, visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.